Hey guys, it's Katt here and welcome back to another video. Today, may another local brand na naman tayong itatry today. This is by the brand XOXO Cosmetics. Ayun siya, pinagsama ko sila kasi most of the products here, yung iba pinadala na kasi nila nung May and nagamit ko na sila. And sa Instagram ko sila na-feature. Pero ngayon, i-feature ko din sila on this video kasi nagpadala sila ng bago as well as yung 2 release new products nila. So, ayan. So, at the back, may nakalagay na message dito. So, hindi ko matanggal pala tong message kasi nadikit siya dun sa pouch. So, sobrang thoughtful nila and sobrang genuine nila, guys. Ang pinakamaraming products are lip tints. So, they have 2 kinds of lip tints. Isang gel tint at isang semi-matte tint. So, here we have the BrowPunch. They have 3 shades available. Light brown, dark brown, and gray. So, I have only 2 shades. Pinadalan ulit kasi nila ako ng dark brown. And then, yung isang shade na pinadala sa akin is gray. This is dark brown and it comes with a retractable packaging. And net weight niya pala, guys, is 2.5 grams. Ayan siya. So, angled pencil ang meron siya. Ganyan kadami, guys, yung BrowPunch na product. So, tingnan natin kung maibabalik ko siya. Ay, taray. Kasi diba may ibang retractable na eyebrow pen kapag pinakita mo or tinignan mo kung gaano kadaming product, tapos pag ibabalik mo na, puputol agad. So, eto. Uy, meron pala siyang lock. See? That's good. Here is the BrowPunch swatch. Here we have the dark brown. Here we have the gray. Surprisingly, maganda yung payoff ng gray. Akala ko medyo dark gray siya na nagiging black. May mga ganun kasing eyebrow pen. Wait lang, pinagpapawisan na. Ang init. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to start with using the dark brown, yung old product na meron ako sa kanila. Actually, pwede mo namang gamitin muna yung brow gel. Pero I like using the brow product first or yung eyebrow pencil and then yung brow gel. Kasi matitigas na yung hair brows mo or yung brows mo. So, ang tendency kapag ilalagay mo pa to, baka hindi na siya ganun ka-smooth. Diba? Diba? What I actually love about their BrowPunch is that it's not waxy at all. Madali siyang gamitin. Hindi siya yung tipong iba na napuputol agad. By the way, guys, this doesn't give you like hair like thin strokes. But it does the job, actually. Like, alam mo yun, kahit mostly naman tayo mga brows natin yung mga hindi ganun ka full brows, may mga sparse area tayo, nafi-fill up niya in a nice way. So, let's move on to my holy grail product from this brand. This is the Browtiful Eyebrow Fixer. Honestly, guys, hindi naman ako na love at first sight dito. Ang tapang nung amoy, syempre malapit sa mata. So, tendency pag ginagamit ko siya, naiiyak ako. So, one of my favorite looks na gamit ko tong Browtiful Brow Fixer is the Coral Reef, yung Under the Sea na mini makeup series ko on my Instagram. As in, Browtiful Brow Fixer lang gamit ko dun, guys. And look at that. I've never seen my brows look that good, guys. Like, as in, ang pangit ang brows ko. So, right now, medyo matigas-tigas na tong left brows ko. So, babalikan ko lang siya para i-form ulit kung paano ko siya gusto. Gusto kasi nakataas yung dito. Tapos, paslant na on the arch area. In fairness, mabilis siyang matuyo. So, I think medyo tuyo na siya. So, babalikan ko lang ulit para for the final form ng brows ko. So, let's move on to the Dream Lasting Liner. Yung isa sa bagong release na products nila. So, net weight is 1.2 grams. Ang tawag dito is Black Point or yung shade, sorry. Ingredients, kalagay dito, film formers, pigments, and thickeners. Ayan siya. Okay. So, magsuswatch tayo beside the brow. Okay. So, this is what it looks like. In person, hindi siya ganun ka-pigment. Try ko naman i-build up another layer. So, ayan siya with another layer. Try naman natin patungan on third layer. Kita nyo na talagang bold liner or bold black siya. Okay? Honestly, I wasn't expecting na sobrang black siya. But, guys, take note. Kahit hindi man siya ganun ka-black, nabibuild up mo pa siya. Okay? So, that's good. So, I'm done. So, meron lang akong comment dito, guys. It's just that, alam niyo yung gantong felt tip na pen? Hindi ko alam, pero yung parang namumuo siya. May fiber na namumuo. Ang nangyayari kasi, hindi ganun ka-smooth dun sa wing ko. Okay, wait lang. Basta may makikita kayong parang lubak-lubak. Parang ganun. I feel like yun yung sa tip. Meron nga pala silang another brand new product. So this is the Magic Cheek Tint called the Blush Rush. 5 ml. Ang name ng shade na to is Rose Pink. Merong directions dito. It says, before applying powder, squeeze a tiny bit amount of your finger and spread it on your cheeks with quickly outward strokes. Natural pinky cheek, all in less than 30 seconds. This is the packaging looks like. Sobrang cute. Ngayon lang ako nakita ng gantong packaging nga. So before natin apply sa cheeks, tignan ko muna kung ano itsura niya. Orange siya, guys. Color orange, but it says rose pink. Baka ito yung parang mga magic lipstick na agad. Orange. So let's try to blend it. Oh, you see that? Naging pink. Light pink. Oh my god. Ang light na to. Medyo oily siya ng konti. And wait lang. Runny siya, runny. Fairness, it smells good. Smells like, oh my god. It smells like candy. I think I put too much. I'm going to use a beauty sponge for this. I think I put too much. It's my fault. It's my fault. It's not the product's fault. Buti na blend out ko agad siya. But, it's so pink! Ayan. Ganyan. Pero, grabe yung color payoff niya. Sorry, my dog wants to be on the shot. Di siya kita, pero I need to blend this right away kasi kung matutuyo siya agad, baka marka sa face ko. By the way, I'm not using a full coverage foundation. I'm using the Fresh Philippines, yung Sun Glow, sorry. It really helps talaga kapag, oh my god, alam niyo yung sabi ko, it really helps. Oh my god, alam niyo yung unang tumatak sa isip ko yung oh my god, grabe ka, Mimiya. Grabe yung influence mo. Grabe. So guys, so kakatapos ko lang kumain at mag-urong, kaya naputol ako sa pag-film. Anyway, napansin ko di ko kasi siya tinanggal bago ako kumain. Nandyan pa rin, guys, yung Dream Lasting Liner nila. And surprisingly, hindi siya natanggal. And eto take note, wala siyang claims na wala siyang claims na waterproof siya. Sabi lang dito is matte long-lasting liners. Yun lang. Okay, let's try to rub it, okay? Yan, zoom in ko lang, then let's try to rub. Look at that. Hindi siya nagmumuo-muo, no? Yung parang nagka-crack. Wow! Oh my god. Okay, ewan ko lang but I have to compare this to the care line. So, I have the care line. I'm going to swatch beside the... Oh! I forgot how pigment this is. Okay, so 5 minutes has passed and check ko na yung cheeks ko. Wow! Surprisingly guys, hindi siya ganun kalagkit. Nagsisip in itong product sa foundation mo in a nice way, which I didn't expect. Kasi nga, earlier talaga hindi ko siya nagustuhan kasi sobrang oily and runny niya na parang hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya parang gagamitin. Packaging, wala naman ako naging problema bukod sa sobrang cute niya. Ano siya, luckily, hindi siya nagsispill yung product. Kasi usually sa mga kakaibang itsura na packaging that we don't usually see, ayan siya, wala siyang tapon. Wala siyang, wala siyang nasasayang na product in short. So, that's good. So, medyo tuyo-tuyo na siya. I have a water here and let's try to spray these two liners. I have to look away. It's so messy. Oh my god. I have to. See? Sorry guys, hindi ko na-zoom in. Pero ayan siya yung itsura ng Careline ngayon. Nung binasa ko siya, tas dinampi ko ng tissue. And then I slightly rub it. So ayan, nirarub ko ulit siya na slightly. Look at that. Diba? Ito yung XOXO Cosmetics. Ito yung Careline. Hey guys, so sisingit ko lang tong part na to on this video kasi ito yung last day na nag-swatch or nag-lip swatch ako ng tints nila. Basically, 3 days ako nag-lip swatches. Yung first day is yung 4 gel tints, and then the second day is yung remaining 3 shades ng gel tints, and then this day, which the third day, ito yung nag-swatch ako ng 5 color tints nila. So, let's start with the gel tints. Again, I'm not a huge fan of gel tints. Based on my experience, namumuo-muo siya sa lips ko. Well, ignore na lang to sa lips ko kasi nag-lip swatch ako. Iba yung nag-lip swatch na talagang ginagamit mo everyday. Kaya I always go for water tints kasi mas easier silang i-apply than the gel tints. Again, may personal preference. But overall, I do impressed with the gel tints kasi maganda yung color payoff niya, the way it's set on my lips. But one thing I noticed, I'm not sure kung ganito talaga yung gel tints, so correct me if I'm wrong. But every time na binabasa ko yung labi ko, like, yan yung ganon, gumagalaw siya. Kahit nakaset na siya talaga fully. Nagugulat ako, gumagalaw siya na parang nagta-transfer siya sa teeth ko. So, I'm not sure kung ganon talaga or hindi pa siya set fully. But I do have comment about their product packaging kasi nung first day ko nag-swatch ng pink and cherry pink, nahirapan akong ilabas yung product. Like, I don't know why. Kahit sa labi ko na, shinake ko na siya upside down, then swatch sa back of my hand ko para mapunta yung product doon sa bola para lumabas. Ayaw talaga. Now, let's move on to the Mattified Colourtint. So, product packaging, medyo nalito lang ako kasi sa product packaging nila nakalagay Colourtint, pero sa Lazada nila nakalagay Mattified Colourtint, which by the way, naka-up na pala yung Lazada nila. Ayun. So, kaya nga na nakita ko, ano ba to? Color tint lang ba to? It is semi-matte, mattified. Pero, nung una ko talaga kasi siya nagamit, semi-matte siya. Pero, nung nag-swatch ako ngayon, matte siya, guys. Like, ano nangyari? Like, may nagkulang ba ako nung time nung ginamit ko to? I don't know. Pero, parang ano siya, matte na siya ngayon. So, tama lang na mattified yung product name na to. So, sa applicator, wala naman ako naging problema. Hindi ako nag-struggle unlike dun sa gel tints sila. And guys, both of these tints have bubblegum scent. Like, ang sarap kainin, guys. Like, di ko alam kung edible. Pero for sure, edible naman to kasi diba sa labi mo i-apply. So, okay. So, yung pink na yung mismo yung gagamitin kong shade. Oh, ang ganda. I underestimate the shape. Kasi nung nakita ko sa swatch dun sa Instagram nila, parang sobrang light kasi yung tignan. So, now let's move on to the last product. Here we have the PopPunch. It's a serum gloss. Net weight is 15 ml. And sadly, dun sa packaging niya, cute siya, but kulang ng information sa likod. Like, ano mo yun? Wala siyang ingredients, PAO. Yan, she glossy or shine or whatever, charot. Okay, so hindi ko lang nagustuhan dito is yung lip applicator niya. Medyo matigas siya. I'm not a fan of it. But, if dahan-dahan ka naman mag-apply, gora lang. Sorry guys kung medyo umangat-ungat to. Hindi ko alam kung anong toyo na tong lashes ko. So, overall, lahat nagustuhan ko sa kanila. When in terms of packaging, for a startup business, ang ganda. It's so fun, it's refreshing, and nakakaagaw pansin, especially sa mga tints. Problem ko lang recently is first sa Browtiful na packaging. Alam ko binago muna nila kasi naubusan daw sila ng silver cup. Napansin ko is yung sa stopper. I'm not sure kung sa stopper pero ang daming product na nakukuha niya. Kumbaga parang drenched na siya with the gel. So, I suggest that you scrape it off. Pero hindi isang diretso guys ha. Yung parang sa violin na gano'n. No. You need to twist it slowly, then drag it down. Ang tendency kasi kapag hindi nyo siya isi-scrape off yung excess product, pag ilalagay nyo siya sa brows, tendency is tuturo siya sa eyes nyo, and that's not a good thing. And this is meant for brows guys ha, this is not meant for lashes. Since you reached the end of this video, I will show you guys the mechanics of my mini giveaway.